मैंने उसे मैसेज किया था। आई मैसेज्ड हिम। आई मैसेज्ड हिम। तुमने इतने पैसे क्यों खर्च किए? Why did you spend so much money? Why did you spend so much money? हम बाजार गए थे। We went to the market. We went to the market. उसने अपना काम जल्दी खत्म कर लिया। She finished her work early. She finished her work early. मैंने तुमसे पहले ही कहा था। I told you already. I told you already. तुम कल देर से आए थे। You came late yesterday. You came late yesterday. बच्चों ने बहुत शोर मचाया। The kids made a lot of noise. The kids made lot of noise. मैंने अपनी पसंदीदा ड्रेस पहनी थी। I wore my favorite dress. I wore my favorite dress. उसने मुझे सब कुछ समझा दिया। He explained everything to me. He explained everything to me. तुमने मुझसे झूठ क्यों बोला? Why did you lie to me? Why did you lie to me? मैंने कल मॉल में शॉपिंग की। I shopped at the mall yesterday. I shopped at the mall yesterday. तुमने मुझे बुलाया था। Did you call me? Did you call me? हम लोग फिल्म देखने गए थे। We went to watch a movie. We went to watch a movie. मैंने रात में किताब पढ़ी। I read a book at night. I read a book at night. उसने मुझे नजरअंदाज किया। She ignored me. She ignored me. तुमने अपने दोस्त को देखा? Did you see your friend? Did you see your friend? हमने उसे बहुत समझाया था। We explained a lot to him. We explained a lot to him. उसने मेरे सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया। He didn't answer my question. He didn't answer my question. तुमने कब शादी की थी? When did you get married? When did you get married? मैंने इसे आखिरी बार ट्राई किया था। I tried it for the last time. I tried it for the last time. उसने मेरे साथ मजाक किया। He joked with me. He joked with me. मैंने पुरानी तस्वीरें देखी। I looked at old pictures. I looked at old pictures. तुमने कल मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me yesterday? Why didn't you tell me yesterday? मैंने खाना ऑर्डर किया था। I ordered food. I ordered food. उसने मुझे ढूंढा। He looked for me. He looked for me. हम सुबह जल्दी उठे थे। We woke up early in the morning. We woke up early in the morning. उसने मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं किया। She did nothing for me. She did nothing for me. मैंने अपना काम खत्म कर लिया। I finished my work. I finished my work. उसने मुझसे बात की। He talked to me. He talked to me. हम कल बाहर गए थे। We went out yesterday. We went out yesterday. तुमने क्या खाया? What did you eat? What did you eat? मैंने उसे नहीं देखा। I didn't see him. I didn't see him. मैंने तुम्हें फोन किया था। I called you. I called you. वह स्कूल नहीं गया। He didn't go to school. He didn't go to school. तुमने कपड़े धो दिए? Did you wash the clothes? Did you wash the clothes? हमने टीवी देखा. We watched TV. We watched TV. मैंने खाना बनाया. I cooked food. I cooked food. उसने गाड़ी चलाना सीखा. She learned to drive. She learned to drive. मैंने कल अपना कमरा साफ किया. I cleaned my room yesterday. I cleaned my room yesterday. तुमने होमवर्क कर लिया? Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? वह सुबह जल्दी उठी. She woke up early in the morning. She woke up early in the morning. मैंने उसे सब बता दिया. I told him everything. I told him everything. उन्होंने मुझसे मदद मांगी. They asked me for help. They asked me for help. तुमने पार्टी में क्या किया? What did you do at the party? What did you do at the party? मैंने फिल्म देखी. I watched a movie. I watched a movie. उसने मुझे पहचान लिया. He recognized me. He recognized me. मैंने सारा काम अकेले किया. I did all the work alone. I did all the work alone. तुमने मुझे पहचान लिया था. Did you recognize me? Did you recognize me? हम दोस्तों के साथ मस्ती कर रहे थे. We were having fun with friends. We were having fun with friends. उसने मुझे अपनी कहानी सुनाई. She told me her story. She told me her story. मैंने तुम्हारा इंतजार किया. I waited for you. I waited for you. तुमने उस दिन क्या किया था? What did you do that day? What did you do that day? मैंने गलती से उसे कॉल कर दिया. I called him by mistake. I called him by mistake. उसने मुझे कॉल बैक नहीं किया. He didn't call me back. He didn't call me back. हम कल बहुत हंसे थे. We laughed a lot yesterday. We laughed a lot yesterday. मैंने जल्दी में खाना खाया. I ate quickly. I ate quickly. उसने मुझे गले लगाया. She hugged me. She hugged me. तुमने उसके साथ बहस की? Did you argue with him? Did you argue with him? मैंने अपने पुराने दोस्त से मुलाकात की. I met my old friend. I met my old friend. बच्चों ने होमवर्क किया. The kids did their homework. The kids did their homework. तुमने मुझे याद किया? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? मैंने उसे मना कर दिया. I refused him. I refused him. उसने मुझे बहुत परेशान किया. He annoyed me a lot. He annoyed me a lot. हमने एक साथ खाना खाया. We ate together. We ate together. मैंने अपनी गाड़ी पार्क की. I parked my car. I parked my car. उसने मुझे जोर से चिल्लाया. He shouted at me loudly. He shouted at me loudly. मैंने तुम्हें सारी बात बताई. I told you everything. I told you everything. हम पार्क में घूमे थे। We took a walk in the park. We took a walk in the park. तुमने मुझे समझा दिया था। You explained it to me. You explained it to me. उसने मुझे उसके बारे में बताया। She told me about him. She told me about him. बच्चों ने बहुत खेला। The kids played a lot. The kids played a lot. तुमने मेरे लिए ये सब क्यों किया? Why did you do all this for me? Why did you do all this for me? उसने मेरे लिए चाय बनाई। He made tea for me. He made tea for me. मैंने उसे नजरअंदाज किया। I ignored him. I ignored him. तुमने कब घर छोड़ा था? When did you leave home? When did you leave home? मैंने अपनी पसंद की किताब खरीदी। I bought my favorite book. I bought my favorite book. हमने मिलकर पार्टी की। We partied together. We partied together. उसने मुझसे कुछ नहीं कहा। She didn't say anything to me. She didn't say anything to me. तुमने मुझसे वादा किया था। You promised me. You promised me. मैंने अपना फोन चार्ज किया। I charged my phone. I charged my phone. उसने मेरी मदद की। He helped me. He helped me. बच्चों ने बहुत शोर मचाया। The kids made a lot of noise. The kids made lot of noise. मैंने कल अच्छा खाना खाया। I ate good food yesterday. I ate good food yesterday. तुमने मुझे क्यों रोका? Why did you stop me? Why did you stop me? उसने मेरा साथ दिया। He supported me. He supported me. मैंने तुम्हें कितनी बार बुलाया? I called you so many times. I called you so many times. उसने मुझसे झूठ नहीं बोला। She didn't lie to me. She didn't lie to me. मैंने उसकी मदद नहीं की। I didn't help him. I didn't help him. तुमने मुझसे दोस्ती की थी। You became friends with me. You became friends with me. मैंने उसे जाने दिया। I let him go. I let him go.